Hey, what's going on, guys? This is going to be the first video in the series, The Complete Walkthrough of Seller Central. Now, I'm breaking it up into several small videos because I know some of you are wanting to get to the point real fast and you don't want to watch a 30-minute video of me explaining all the details, 90% of which you probably know. So this series is going to be broken out into several videos. This first one, I am going to be just showing you how to add a product, right? I'm not showing you how to create a listing. There's a difference. Creating a listing is if you are adding or selling a private label product. Here, I'm just showing you how to add a product. So if you're doing retail arbitrage or you are doing wholesale, here is how you add a product. You're going to go up to the inventory tab and you're simply going to go to add a product. Very simple, right? And in this box you can type in the product name or the UPC code or these other codes here. I don't suggest typing in the product name because a lot of times you might think you're getting the right listing, but really you're not. The best way to do it is to look at the barcode on the back of whatever product it is that you are selling and simply type that in, right? So right here I got my Miracle-Gro, and this sells pretty well. Got it for a good price. See, I got it at Bargain Hunt for $7. Actually got it for less than that because I bought all their inventory. And we're gonna put in the code. So it's 0735 1008563, and boom. So first thing that sticks out is there's a whole lot of these that come up. This doesn't happen all the time. A lot of times when you type in the code, you're only going to see one listing pop up, which is what makes things really simple for you. And here it's not so simple. But looking at all these codes, you can see this is what I typed in, right? And these don't match what I'm selling, but this right here, this is what I am selling. Okay. This is exactly what I'm selling. So sometimes you're going to just have to read the description on the container that you have, right, to make sure you're putting the right thing on. And this doesn't usually happen. So this is a great lesson here. But this is the one that I'm selling. Now, a couple things. See where it says listing limitations may apply? Not all sellers can sell in all categories. There's a lot of categories that are blocked. And if you're new, odds are you won't be able to sell in a lot of categories. Now, some categories require a lot of hoops to jump through in order to get approval by Amazon to sell in. And some, it's as simply as just having a good account for a short period of time, and then you can just request approval and Amazon will allow you to sell. So if you're new and you're going out to stores and you're using the Amazon app for retail arbitrage and you are scanning things and almost everything you scan says it's restricted and you're like, this is stupid, I'll never find anything. Don't worry, because eventually as time goes on, you'll be able to get access to more and more categories and more products, and things won't all be restricted. Now, there's categories that are restricted and there are brands that are restricted. An example of a brand that is restricted is Nike. You have to first get approval to sell in the shoes category if you want to sell shoes. And if you want to sell Nike shoes, you also have to get brand approval by Nike or one of their authorized distributors to sell Nike shoes. And if you can do that, you will be rich. Not many people have authorization to sell Nike. So let's continue. This is the one I want to sell. So I'm going to say sell yours. Now here I'm just going to put in the offer info, and real quick, what I like to do is I like to see what's my competition. What can I actually sell this for? The beautiful thing about this product is there are no prime sellers that are at the top. So what I mean is the guy that's the cheapest is not prime. This is the only prime seller right here, and he might have the buy box. So let's look to see if he has the buy box. No, he does not have the buy box. If he lowered his price just a little bit, maybe to, I don't know why I clicked that, maybe to $21.99, then that one prime seller who is allowing Amazon to do the fulfillment would probably have the buy box. So what I'm going to do is I am going to list this product at $21.99. And Amazon will favor me because I am going to have them fulfill the product. And because of that, they will award me the buy box over my competition. It's so long as I'm not priced too high. So I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service. That's what I'm going to choose. Now, you can choose to fulfill it yourself. I don't recommend this. I think it'll be a waste of your time. And so yeah, here we go. I'm going to do $21.99 and save and finish. Now, here, Amazon recognizes the barcode that is on this. It knows that the manufacturer barcode is on this product, so it's not going to make me put on the Amazon barcode when I go to do my shipping plan. So that's awesome. I'm just going to hit save and continue. And you can see on my phone here that the listing was already created, and this part of the process is asking for dangerous goods information. So if this was combustible or had a lithium-ion battery or any other kind of battery, I would need to say yes to either of these. Or if there was some other hazmat material, then you would need to say yes. But most products you're going to say no, and this product is no. So awesome. And we're going to hit save and continue. And voila, the listing has been created, folks. My next video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create a shipping plan. But for the purpose of this video, we just created a listing. It's as easy as that. So go ahead and start creating listings and start selling and get rich. Awesome. So stay tuned for the next video, and if you're new and you have a question, go ahead and put the questions down in the comment box below. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.